Using Zoho Forms, you can link your website inquiries to Zoho CRM. In this video, we will demonstrate how to create a contract form, integrate it to your inquiry pipeline, and options to embed the form onto your website. Let's start on Zoho Forms. In your Builder's Excellence environment, we have created some sample forms. Here are a couple of example contact forms you can embed onto your website. Go to My Folders or Shared Forms and look for Website Contact Forms. If you cannot see this folder, please reach out to SOS Consulting. Click on the folder and you will see a list of forms. You can either click on the New Form button at the top to create your own. You can clone an existing form by hovering over the ellipsis at the end and selecting Duplicate, or you can edit an existing form by clicking on the Edit icon. In this example, we are going to edit an existing form. We have provided two example forms: General Inquiry Form, Building Inquiry Form. If you click on the form name, you can see what the form looks like. Let's edit the General Inquiry Form to see how it's created. In this example, the fields have already been added. If you hover over a field, you can delete it, duplicate, or edit the field properties. You can drag new fields from the left into your form and position where needed. If you click on the field, this also opens the properties, so you can rename them. Update the options and settings, including choosing if the field is mandatory, hidden, or disabled when pre-populated. Zoho Forms has lots of extra features. You can learn about these under the knowledge base. Click on the question mark at the bottom to access more training resources. Once you have all your questions in place with the required value and settings, you have more options at the top. Under Rules, you can set up conditions, for example, how to hide and show fields. There are lots of features under Settings, but some important ones to remember are choosing what happens when the form is submitted, such as redirecting the customer to a website page or displaying a notification that their inquiry was submitted. Capture is important under Spam Control, as this helps prevent junk inquiries. As for emails and notifications, these can be handled in CRM once the inquiry is created. Under Themes, there are lots of templates for you to use. Click on Apply to assign a theme to your form. You can also create your own themes to assign. For this example, we will click on the Edit icon to modify an existing theme. Use the Theme Editor to modify the style. Work your way through the options on the left, and any changes may will be displayed for you to view. Save your changes and close the theme editor once complete. Before we move to Share, let's go to Integrations. Under this tab, you can integrate your form to the inquiry record. This one has already been set up. The fields from CRM are easy to map to the fields from your form. At the bottom, make sure you tick the first option, as this will ensure any automations are triggered when the inquiry is created. If you tick the second box, a copy of the completed form will be added to your inquiry attachments. Once the fields are mapped, click on Integrate. We recommend always clicking on Integrate after any changes are made, including form ownership. Now your form is ready to use. It's integrated to the CRM and just needs to be embedded onto your website by your web developer. If other users need to view or modify this form, use the Share With options. Now click on Embed to see the choices available for posting the form onto your website. The most popular option is JavaScript, as this means you can changes to your form from here and they will be immediately reflected on your website. Your web developer will embed this code where the form needs to appear, but other options are available if needed, so speak to your web developer on the best approach.